Investing in stock market can be a lucrative way to generate income, but it requires deep understanding of the market's inner workings, the ability to accurately assess market trends, and an unwavering commitment to risk management is required. It is very essential for investors to first learn and then conduct thorough research on potential investments and approach their trades with discipline and patience. Taking calculated risks and diversifying one's portfolio can help increase returns while mitigating losses, ultimately leading to higher profits over a time period. Professional traders also recommend developing a long term strategy with clear goals in mind, as short term gains can often be fleeting. Finally, keeping up to date with the latest financial news and economic indicators is crucial for making informed decisions that can ultimately skyrocket your income from the stock market. So here we have with us Mr. Kiran Kumar, who is a stock market winning strategy coach and expert in investments and trading. So hello, Mr. Kiran Kumar. Please give your brief introduction to our audience.
Thanks, Sam. Hello, everyone. I'm Kiran Kumar, a stock market coach with 18 years of experience in the areas of investment and trading. And I'm on a mission to train about 1 million people on the stock market, investment, and trading to make them independent and take decisions. So now I have developed several winning strategies that can help traders make a good amount of money and teach these to my trainees in my customized training programs. So welcome you all to my training programs as well. And I'm happy to be here today to reveal some secret strategies that can give you a lot of income from the stock market. So please keep watching.
Wow, that's incredible. So let us jump to the topic for today, which is 5 ways to skyrocket your income from stock market, starting with the winning strategy that Kiran Kumar has just mentioned. So could you please share those ways to our audience so that they can also get benefit out of these?
Oh yes. One is, as you said, develop a winning strategy. What's a winning strategy? A winning strategy is one that gives you a success rate of about 80%. So that's which is the key to make money from the stock market. Now, you cannot invest in every stock. You need to research those stocks that have high potential for growth and create a plan to buy and sell them at the right time for the highest returns. Yeah, I mean to say the highest returns. So you must develop a strategy that can give you consistent profit on a regular basis. So using this strategy, on an average, I can tell you every stock you trade will give you some profit or the other. So as I mentioned, please make a note, the success ratio must be more than 80%, which means at least or 8 out of 10 trades that you take would give you profits. It's awesome that 80% success ratio in the stock market. And this is the winning strategy that gives an edge to a trader to earn consistent income from the stock market.
That's really, really valuable. Thank you so much for sharing that. So, Kiran, please also tell us that how to diversify our portfolio.
Oh, yes. So diversifying a portfolio is another key thing that we need to do. So diversify your investments would help reduce your risk and increase your chances of making profit. So if you invest in different types of stocks from different sectors, from varied sectors and industries, that will spread your risk. Always you should mitigate your risk by investing in different sectors. For instance, you can look at investing 60% of your capital on large cap stocks. You can take an example of the Nifty 50 companies like Reliance, TCS, or Bajaj Capital, for example. And the next part would be 30% in mid cap stocks, like you have Voltas, Crompton and Greaves, Polycap. These are all very good companies to invest, which can give you a good return over a period of time. And also, please make sure to allocate about 5% in small cap stocks. This is why I'll tell you. because taking a 5% of risk sometimes or many times it gives you multi-bagger returns. It's a multifold returns that can fetch you over a period of time. So please allocate 5% of your investment in small cap stocks. Along with that, you also need to include some of the stocks that are cyclical and non-cyclical, like metals, gold. These are some stocks that have, like Tata Steel, where they're all seasonal or cyclical. Sometimes they give very good returns, so you have to pick them at the bottom and sell them at the top. And also, when there is an airline industry boom, companies like Indigo and all can give you handsome profits. So these are a few things that I would like to highlight. Along with that, also you should focus on something called as a growth and value stocks. You might have heard about Nestle. Who in India wouldn't have heard about Maggie? Maggie 2 minutes noodles, right? So Nestle is one such company which has been there for hundreds of years. It's a time trusted company. So please invest in Nestle India, Hindustan Unilever, which is similar to Nestle, Pidilite, like the Fevicol, which produces or manufactures Fevicol. That's also time trusted in the industry and the company. So please start investing your money in these companies to fetch you maximum returns. And also, I would say, please don't neglect on some of the fixed income. Like, you can talk about mutual funds. Allocate 5% of your fund or the capital, it should be diverted towards mutual fund for long-term growth. Just invest and forget for about 10 years, 25 years. It will give you multifold returns. It's like a fixed plan.
Thank you so much for sharing all these valuable investment strategies over there, like large cap, small cap, and mid cap, and growth and value stocks, and other types of investment like mutual funds. So, could you please also share with us how to start SIP, systematic investment plan?
Thanks for asking this very valuable question. This might help a lot of your audience and people who are viewing this video. So SIP is a success mantra to create long-term wealth from the stock market. Making a simple systematic investment plan every month can give you average price of any stock, and believe me, in 5 years, it will give at least 2x or 5x returns. You believe me, 2 to 5x returns you can easily get from the market by making a SIP. For example, you make a list of 10 good stocks, anything maybe of your choice. Make the only condition is 10 good stocks. You can pick from Nifty 50 and start investing 10% of your capital, investment capital, in each company every month without a miss. Every month, please be disciplined and punctual. And for the next 5 to 10 years, you keep investing in this way. And by doing this, the advantage you get is you get the best average price of each stock you invest. So during times when the market is at the lowest, you get the best average price. And when the market starts recovering, again, your earlier prices will start skyrocketing and you'll get a best average out of it. In this way, our investment starts growing multifolded, and easily you can double and triple your income over a period of time by using my strategies. I've developed some golden strategies that can give you very good income over a period of time.
Okay, we have talked a lot about the long-term investments. Can you also shed some light on short and medium-term trading?
Excellent question. Thanks, sir. We teach stock market in two ways for short-term and medium-term investing. One is the technical analysis, which is the buzzword or the buzz term in the industry now, and the other is the fundamental analysis of stocks. So by learning both these things, anybody would be able to independently, I can assure you, independently start your investments and trading and become fully equipped to take decisions of trading in stocks on your own. You can make a good amount of money from short and medium term investments in the stock market. So I can quote some examples like, short term can be from 1 week to 1 month. That's my way of, putting it across. And medium term can be from 1 month to 3 months. This means after our training, after you get trained from us, you would be able to generate handsome profits. I can tell you, handsome profits from the stock market. Believe me, after attending my training sessions, any of the training sessions, the perspective of how anybody looks at the stock market changes by 180 degrees. I really tell, because we have so many people who have a pessimistic value, who have on the negative side. By after undergoing this training, they have been completely transformed from the negative side to the positive. Anybody who's a pessimist becomes a completely optimistic person about the stock market. And this is one thing we need to set it right at the first instance itself, so that people become positive towards the stock market way of thinking. Only people start thinking positively, they can make multifold returns.
Very nice. And I can see that from your confidence, you're a positive person and a really, really valuable coach.
Thank you.
So, a lot of valuable inputs you have already given. Can we also talk something about the dividend paying companies, if
Oh,
any?
yes. Yeah. This is also a very valid question, because this helps a lot of people, right from teenagers, the middle class, the working class, the senior citizens who are getting pensions. All of these people, please hear me. In our training, we will teach you how to look for companies that give you more than 10% dividends. 10%, awesome, isn't it? Nowadays, the bank just gives about 4 to 5% in a fixed deposit. Here, the companies are giving you 10%. Not only that, you have two advantages, which are: number one, the company will keep on growing it at its own growth. And the second is, the companies are well known to satisfy and keep their customers happy, or the investors happy, by giving regular dividends, bonuses, rights issues, and there are a lot of splits in shares which happen. All these things will benefit people over a period of time.
Thank you so much for that. Guys, now the 5 ways of skyrocketing your income from stock market is over. But wait. We have some surprise bonuses for you. So hang on to get the best value over there. So Kiran, can you please share some bonus value with our audience over there? Any bonus points that you can add?
Oh, sir, I had not prepared, but still, being your at your show, on your show, definitely for the benefit of all your viewers, I will unravel a couple of bonus points, like strategies that can help. It's especially only for your audience. So, the bonus number one, please hear me. The multi-bagger stocks, which is the buzzword that's going on in the stock market industry. How to pick the multi-bagger stock? Here, in our training program, we will teach you, our students and investors, how to identify the multi-bagger stocks at lowest levels, believe me, at lowest levels, and invest for a long term for highest returns. So investing for long term can help you maximize your returns by holding on to the stocks for at least, maybe I would say, 5 to 10 years of time. You should be gracious enough to allocate at least 5 to 10 years of time for these multi-bagger stocks. And believe me, it literally skyrocket your income over a period of time, and you can benefit from the stock's growth over time. Sometimes it is given even 100 times income, 100x income. You can look at Infosys, for instance, Wipro. These all stocks have given 100x returns over a period of time. Only patience, discipline, and money management helps you. And bonus number two, this is I'm a little stingy, but still I would like to, for the sake of Rajendra sir's students, I would like to reveal it. One secret advice to share: shh, don't share it with others, okay? Because as it is only specially, it's made for you and the one who are watching this live. What I would say is, this is my recommendation rather than a suggestion. Please monitor your investments, because your investments is like your baby. How you monitor your baby? You have to monitor your investments, because you have to always stay on top of your investments. For trading, for example, if you are an intraday trader, I would definitely suggest fix a time frame, maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, some time frame to monitor your intraday setup. Don't kind of engage yourself in other activities, because intraday is supposed to be very focused. And for short term, you can do it maybe in a couple of hours a day, or sometimes no, you can also keep it for 1 to 2 weeks, like a swing trade. And for the long term, you have to monitor on a week on week basis, and sometimes even you review and re-strategize over a period of time, so that you can benefit the best benefit of the market trends that are happening across the globe and also in the Indian markets. So these are a couple of bonus points, which is the benefit for all the audience who are watching this show live and also as a recorded session. Please bear it in mind. These are two important bonus points that I'm sharing with you today for the benefit of all the viewers.
So guys, create a wealthy portfolio to skyrocket your income from the stock market with our one and only coach, Mr. Kiran Kumar, who is the stock market investments coach over there and focusing on winning strategies. So that's really nice. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, that was indeed a super value loaded in this session today, Kiran. And I liked your way of giving away more than you commit. So I can relate as to what benefits or value the investors are going to get once they join your training program. So dear viewers, Kiran Kumar is conducting several training programs. So I personally recommend you to connect with him by going to his website, coachkirankumar.com, COAH, coach, KIRAN, Kiran, KUMAR.com. Okay. His official team email ID is kirankumarc2123@gmail.com. Also join his WhatsApp group by clicking the link below this live video right now. Okay. So that's all for today's session. I'm really glad that you have joined, Kiran, and you have shared so much value with our target audience.
It's my pleasure and a privilege to be on your show. Thank you. Happy investing and happy growing your money to become wealthy from the stock market. Thank you all.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank
That's really awesome.